I find that these machines here are accurate. They're really strong, they're really tough.
I started with the Doosan's from the ground up. I love them.
The new machines are very durable, machinist friendly, easy to work with. Holding tolerances is very well. We have no issues with making anything that they ask of us.
The VC630, we can perform complex parts on this 5-axis machine that we can't do on a regular 3-axis. Basically do in one setup and hit the part from any side that we need to hit it from.
I have some surprising moments where I felt like I wasn't able to do it with the MX here, and a little time, little effort, understanding the complex programming, and I was able to do what the engineers were wanting and learning something new with the machine.
There's certain parts that we're asked to make to where it has a really small diameter, and that's an aha moment when you think, there's no way I'm going to be able to hold this tolerance on what they're asking me, and the machine will do it.
So we can cut anything from hardened steel to aluminum to plastic to whatever it is that we have to do.
The rest speaks for itself. Whenever you see how Doosan equipment is manufacturing parts and pieces for these world-class race cars and where races and championships are being won, it's got to be good enough for their components.